everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. Today I want to show you how to make shaped Nuvo Drops backgrounds. I have also got a video on stretching on Nuvo Drops linked in that top right hand corner as well. And we do have a download and thing that's available on the Hedgehog Hollow website. Check the description below for a link to that as well. But the other day I did a video where I put white dots using my grid here on my Tim Holtz platform. With a piece of vellum, and today I want to show you a similar idea with that, except we're going to make them into shaped Nuvo drops. So I'm going to do my best to see through this. I could do with a little bit more light, which is hard when you're doing a video because you don't necessarily have all of the light you need. And I'm just going to place, I guess it's going to kind of be random, Nuvo drops all the way down. And if you want to check out the white version of this that I did for weddings that had a really pretty grid, and I told you the vellum to use, you want to check that top right hand corner again. But what you can do is pipe different sizes too, so we can make some of these bigger and further apart. You actually want to use a thinner vellum than this. The Ellen Hudson vellum works perfectly. I thought that's what I picked up, but I guess I'd grab something else. But I can still show you this technique. Mine just won't be as straight as that one. This is a video that goes with our Hedgehog Hollow box this month, which contains these two awesome stamp sets from Ink Rose Stamps. You also get 3 Nuvo drops, black, white, and glow in the dark green. We also have a set of printables. We have Nuvo shimmer powder. We have doodlebug embellishments, all sorts of fun things in there for you. And then to create this fun background, so I'm just using a pin here. These are pretty pins in my pretty holder here. I'll make sure these are linked in that description below, but you can just use regular sewing pins as well. You don't have to use a pretty pin. I'm going to start above that first dot. And I can pull them down to be teardrops. So you can create, maybe use your morning dew or the Wedgwood blue, and you could create a rainy background. You could also, if you were feeling creative, you could turn these maybe into music notes, depending on the recipient. You could turn them into lollipops or suckers. So that's one thing you can do. And I showed you in the other video how to stack them to make eyes, how to create hearts within a Nuvo drop, how to create swirls within a Nuvo drop. Well, you can also create hearts on a background. So again, what you're going to do is start up kind of at the top of that Nuvo drop. We're going to pull it down and in. And you're also probably going to want to just kind of create that top. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to pull. And the kind of heart, I'll lift it up in a second, you'll see it's created in the kind of dimension. But it does allow you to create some really fun shapes. If you were to create these on an easy clean mat or on a craft sheet, you would get perfect hearts because there would be very little friction from that non-stick element. Wouldn't they make really cool like little map markers and all sorts of things? You could also pre-dip your pin in a different colour, so you could put some white down, for instance. Make sure my pin is reasonably clean. And then I could pull it in and add an extra colour. Just wipe it between your fingers each time. And that would also give you more of that heart illusion. But you could do this with any colour, and then you could turn it into sort of feathers. You could turn it into all sorts of fun things. So don't think that Nuvo drops in any way just have to be one colour. You could do this with glitter drops. You could do it with any kind of drops you fancy. And you can see that again, I'll lift this up so you can just see that little bit of white in there, and it just gives it more of that kind of heart illusion too. So again, just a really quick and simple video, nothing special, but just showing you another way to stretch your Nuvo drops. And we'll create a playlist Again, we'll link that below for you, and it'll be in the side somewhere too, of all of these Nuvo Drops videos. So you can see different ways to use your Nuvo Drops. They don't just have to be embellishments on your card. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for future tutorials and all of our Inktoberfest tutorials as well. Check out the blog today. There'll be a special coupon code in there. If you're a box subscriber, check out your Facebook group for all of your coupons this month for Ink Road, Tonic, and Ellen Hudson. And then also, if you don't already have a box, check that description below. We'll make sure the box is linked there for you. You don't want to miss out. We'll see you soon. Happy stamping. Bye.